imagine importing a machine from China and starting your own business from home? Today you are going to discover 15 impressive, profitable, and easy to import machines that transform raw materials into high-demand products. And the best part? Many are easy to operate. So get ready, because what's coming could mark the beginning of your new source of income from home. 1. Paper plate making machine. In a world that is increasingly seeking sustainable options, this machine represents a true ecological and profitable opportunity. With it, you can manufacture biodegradable paper plates, ideal for events, parties, restaurants, or wholesale sales. Equipment comes ready to produce hundreds of units per hour and is quite compact, making it ideal for use at home or in a small workshop. Importing it from China costs around $5,000, and its operation requires no prior experience. Since the system is automatic, you just place the paper, set the pressure and temperature, and that's it. The mold does its job. These plates can be sold in packages online, in physical stores, or to distributors. A pack of 50 plates can cost between $2 and $5, while the production cost per unit can be below 3 cents. With a minimum production of 500 packs per month, profits can easily exceed $1,000 monthly working from home. And if eco-friendly sounds profitable to you, wait until you see the next machine. 2. Green fence making machine. It transforms spaces, gives a natural touch, and generates very good profits. Now imagine offering a product that completely changes the appearance of a house, garden, business, or event without the need for gardening or maintenance. Artificial green fences are booming, and this machine allows you to produce them continuously and with excellent quality. This machinery automates the weaving of synthetic leaves onto metal or plastic meshes, resulting in a decorative panel that resembles a fence covered with vegetation. This product is perfect for those seeking privacy, decoration, and a natural style without worrying about watering or climate. Importing this machine from China costs approximately $7,000. Depending on the model, production capacity, and finishes, its use is simple. Load the material, choose the foliage pattern, and the system starts assembling the panels automatically. You can produce meters and meters per day. In the market, a decorative green fence panel of 1 square meter sells for between $10 and $30, while the production cost can be as low as $3 per unit. With just 100 panels per month, your income could exceed $2,000. And if you sell in volume to decorators or event companies, that number skyrockets. But if your thing is creating something everyone uses daily, the next machine takes profitability to the next level. 3. Pet bottle making machine. Behind every bottled drink, detergent, or cooking oil, there is a key product, the PET bottle. Now imagine having at home a machine capable of manufacturing them yourself and turning that plastic into steady income. This machine works with PET preforms that, when heated and blown inside molds, become bottles of different shapes and capacities. It is ideal for entrepreneurs who want to manufacture customized containers for small water brands, juices, cleaning products, or artisanal cosmetics. The import price of this machine starts at $3,500, and it is considered one of the most profitable if you want to start a home-based business without prior experience. You only need a stable power connection, space to operate comfortably, and access to the preforms, which you can also easily import or buy locally. Once operational, you can produce hundreds of bottles per hour. The manufacturing cost per unit can be between 5 and 10 cents, while the wholesale selling price ranges from 30 to 50 cents depending on the volume and design. The advantage? You can not only sell empty bottles, but also offer customization services or even bottle your own product, thus doubling your income sources. And if you thought this was impressive, wait until you see the next machine, because it literally turns stone into art. 4. CNC stone engraving machine. Can you imagine creating sculptures, engravings, or architectural pieces from home with millimeter precision? That's exactly what a CNC stone engraving machine allows, a powerful tool that is revolutionizing small workshops and personalized design businesses. This type of machinery works through computerized numerical control, meaning you can load a digital design and the machine will engrave it directly into stone, marble, granite, or other hard materials. Its versatility makes it ideal for producing everything from tombstones and decorative plaques to claddings, fountains, and personalized art. Importing it from China costs around $2,600 and up. And the best part is that you don't need prior experience in manual carving. Just learn to handle the software, which is usually intuitive and easy to master. The cost per unit varies depending on the design, but you can offer personalized works that sell from $30 to over $200 per piece. Imagine engraving names, dates, or logos on stone for clients who want a unique and durable detail. Your investment can be recovered in just a few months if you position yourself in niches such as interior design, landscaping, funerary art, or rustic decoration. This business is not only profitable, but also allows you to create pieces that last forever. And if your thing is turning waste into profits, the next machine will surprise you because it turns sawdust into something much more valuable. 5. Sawdust briquette making machine. Did you know that wood waste can be transformed into a constant source of income? With a sawdust briquette making machine, you can turn something that is normally discarded into an ecological, in-demand, and very profitable product. This compact and functional equipment takes sawdust, a common byproduct in carpentry shops, sawmills, or furniture workshops, and compresses it into solid briquettes used as alternative fuel in fireplaces, stoves, or industrial boilers. It's a green solution that is increasingly accepted in both homes and businesses looking to reduce their environmental footprint. The price of this machine in the Chinese market starts at $1,500, and its operation is simple. You just feed the system with shredded material, and the press shapes the briquettes under high pressure with no need for additives or binders. 1 ton of briquettes can sell for between $180 and $300 depending on the local market, and many users generate monthly income of $1,000 to $2,000, especially if they have easy access to wood waste. In addition, you can market these briquettes both in your community and through digital platforms, highlighting their low cost, calorific power, and low environmental impact. This is not only a profitable home business, but also an opportunity to undertake with purpose. 6. Incense making machine. There is something almost hypnotic about the aroma of incense. It is spiritual, relaxing, and commercially powerful. With an incense-making machine, you can start a profitable business from home that combines tradition, spirituality, and modern entrepreneurship. This equipment, which you can import from China starting at about $2,000, allows you to automate the production of incense sticks or cones using natural blends such as resins, essential oils, and aromatic woods. You only need to load the ingredients, adjust the mold, and activate the machine. The result is a consistent line of products with great sensory value. The best part? The raw materials are inexpensive and the profit margin is high. A pack of 20 sticks can be sold for $3 to $7 depending on the scent and packaging. With a minimum production of 500 packs per month, income can exceed $1,500 monthly. And if you design attractive packaging and focus on online sales, such as on Etsy or Amazon Handmade, you can reach a global audience seeking wellness, meditation, and relaxation experiences. In addition, it is a simple-to-operate machine, ideal for those who want to earn money from home without prior experience, and perfect for creating your own brand of aromatherapy or holistic products. 7. 3D wall panel making machine. Interior decoration has stopped being a luxury and has become an aesthetic necessity, and with this machine, you can be right where the trend is taking off. The 3D wall panel making machine, available to import from China starting at $3,500, transforms materials like plant fiber, recycled PVC, or plaster into modern and elegant three-dimensional decorative pieces. This equipment allows you to produce panels with textured designs that transform any space, from a living room to an office or a restaurant. You only need to place the mixture in the automatic mold, adjust the drying time, and in minutes you will have a product ready to paint and sell. A panel of this type can cost between 30 and 50 cents, depending on the design and finish. If you produce 300 panels per day and sell at the minimum, we are talking about more than $1,500 per month in potential sales. Additionally, this product has high demand in the construction, remodeling, and interior design sectors. You can sell directly to clients through social networks, to architects, or via e-commerce. It is a highly profitable home business idea, ideal for those who want to enter a trending market with a product of high visual impact and excellent profit margin. 8. Essential oil distillation machine. Imagine being able to capture the purest aromas of nature and turn them into a product that sells very well worldwide. That is exactly what the essential oil distillation machine does, which you can import from China starting at $2,000. This machine works with the principle of steam distillation. You place flowers, leaves, or fruit peels in the tank, apply heat, and the steam extracts the essential oil. It is then cooled and automatically separated from the water. The whole process is simple, clean, and can be done from home with little space. With this machine, you can produce lavender, eucalyptus, mint, lemon oils, and many more. A small 10 milliliters bottle can be sold for $8 to $25, and with each batch, you can obtain dozens of bottles. If you do 2 or 3 distillations a day, monthly income can easily exceed $4,000, depending on the type of plant you use. This is an ideal business to sell on Instagram, at natural fairs, in cosmetic stores, or even export through platforms like Etsy. It is an excellent, profitable machine for starting a business from home, perfect for those who want a natural, sustainable business with great global demand. 9. Pasta making machine. Who doesn't love pasta? But did you know that beyond eating it, you can turn it into a profitable business from home with an affordable investment? With a pasta-making machine that you can import from China starting at about $2,500, you can produce noodles, spaghetti, tagliatelle, or even stuffed pasta in a fully professional way. These machines work automatically. You just have to mix the ingredients, flour, water, and egg, and the machine takes care of kneading, cutting, and shaping according to the mold you choose. In a few minutes, you have fresh pasta ready to pack and sell. A 250-gram portion of artisanal pasta can sell for $2 to $5, depending on whether it is traditional, vegan, gluten-free, or made with gourmet ingredients. At medium scale, you can produce more than 150 packs a day, representing daily income of $300 to $700 if you find the right niche. Health food stores, Italian restaurants, organic fairs, or even subscription sales. This type of product has high turnover, is easy to store, and most importantly, has great acceptance in today's market that values artisanal and healthy. 10. Hanger making machine. Who would have imagined that something as everyday as a hanger could be a profitable business opportunity from home? But that's how it is. The hanger making machine, available to import from China from about $2,500, you can produce hundreds of units a day and enter a market that is always moving. This equipment works with materials such as wire, plastic, or even pressed wood, automatically molding the structure of each hanger and giving it the finish you choose. Some versions even include options to cover the hangers with non-slip foam or decorative fabric. A hanger costs in materials between 10 and 25 cents, depending on the design, and they are easily sold in packs. For example, a set of 10 decorative hangers can sell for $5 to $12, which leaves interesting margins whether you sell retail or even wholesale to home goods stores, laundries, clothing brands, or platforms like Amazon or Etsy. The production volume can exceed 1,000 units daily, which allows you to scale the business quickly without prior experience. Additionally, it is a lightweight product, inexpensive to ship, and with high demand in times like the beginning of the year, moving season, or clothing store openings. A small investment with the potential for constant income. 11. Facial mask making machine. We enter the world of beauty, an industry that moves billions every year. And you can be part of it from home with a facial mask making machine for skincare, available to import from China starting at $5,000 and up, allowing you to create personalized, natural, and highly marketable products. This equipment allows you to produce masks made from collagen, aloe vera, green tea, hyaluronic acid, or even vegan ingredients. You only need the formulas, which you can get from suppliers or through consulting. And the machine will take care of mixing, molding, and sealing each unit in its individual packaging, ideal for selling under your own brand. The cost per mask can be around $0.30 to $0.50, depending on the ingredients you use. While in the market, they can be sold for $2 to $4 each, or even more if you position yourself as a natural cosmetics brand. In wholesale lots, there is also high demand from spas, beauty centers, and online distributors. A perfect business to start without experience, targeting a wide audience: women, men, young people, and even older adults interested in self-care. And if you add good packaging design and social media presence, growth can be exponential. 12. Adhesive trap making machine for mice and insects. In a market where hygiene is a priority and pest control is a constant need, this machine opens the door to a profitable, little explored, and high-demand business. It is a machine to produce adhesive traps for mice and insects, ideal for those who want to start from home without prior experience, with an initial investment from $4,500 when importing it from China. This equipment automates the manufacturing process. It applies the special adhesive onto cardboard or plastic sheets, cuts them into standard shapes, and even allows customization with your logo or brand name. The result? Effective traps ready for wholesale or retail sale. The production cost per unit can range between $0, $15, and $0.30, while on platforms like Amazon or in physical stores, they can sell for $1 to $2.50 each. If you decide to package them in kits of 10 or 20 units, the margins are even more attractive. They're talking about a potential profitability that can exceed $3,000 per month just by selling online or to local distributors. The advantage? You don't need to be an expert. The product is simple, has constant demand in markets such as homes, restaurants, hotels, warehouses, and businesses. And thanks to its low production cost, you can scale quickly. 13. Belt or strap making machine. In the world of fashion and accessories, there is a product that always sells and that you can now make from home: woven belts or straps. And the best part? Without the need to be an expert, thanks to a specialized machine that turns simple threads into accessories with professional design and high commercial value. This equipment, which you can import from China starting at approximately $3,000, uses an automated cross-weaving system. You only need to load the threads into the bobbin, set the desired pattern, and in minutes you will have straps ready to cut, finish, and sell. You can use materials such as nylon, cotton, polyester, or even custom combinations. And the business? Highly scalable. A woven unit can cost you $0.80 to $1.20 in materials, but can easily sell between $6 and $15 depending on the design, packaging, and market niche. This allows margins that exceed 500%. Additionally, you can offer exclusive designs for local brands, artisans, online stores, or sell on marketplaces like Etsy and Amazon Handmade. What's most interesting is that you can work from home with a small space, focus on just one type of strap or belt, and quickly position yourself on social media by showing the weaving process in videos, which grabs a lot of visual attention and boosts sales. This option combines fashion, customization, and low operating costs, a perfect mix to make money from home without prior experience. 14. Napkin making machine. Napkins are present in every restaurant, cafe, bakery, and home in the world. Few imagine that it is one of the easiest and most profitable products to manufacture from home, with a machine you can import from China starting at $4,500. This equipment works automatically. It takes the industrial paper roll, cuts it, folds it, and if you want, even prints logos or custom designs. With just one person operating the machine, you can produce thousands of napkins per day. Production costs are extremely low. A napkin can cost you between $0.002 and $0.005, while the finished pack can be sold for $0.50 to $2 depending on the packaging brand and whether it has printing or not. That means a huge profit margin, especially if you target local markets like cafes, fast food businesses, events, or personalized ventures. The power of this business lies in its simplicity. You don't need experience or complex processes. You only need to secure wholesale paper, keep the machine running, and organize your distribution channel. Additionally, you can create eco-friendly or biodegradable versions which add perceived value in open markets and environmentally conscious businesses. 15. Compressed wood pallet making machine. And we close this journey with a machine that not only generates income but also turns waste into gold, the compressed wood pallet making machine. High-impact piece of equipment, ideal for those who want to start a business from home with profitable machinery, betting on the circular economy and recycling as a business model. This machine, which you can import from China starting at about $8,500, transforms sawdust, shavings, and other wood waste into compact-resistant pallets. The process is completely automated. It mixes the waste with eco-friendly adhesive, compresses it with heat and pressure, and shapes the pallet without the need for nails or screws. Here's the key. Compressed pallets have a big advantage over traditional ones. They are lighter, cheaper, stackable, and accepted for exports without the need for special treatments. This makes them very attractive for logistics companies, food industries, international trade, e-commerce, and more. Each pallet has an approximate production cost of $4 to $6 and can be easily sold for $10 to $20 depending on size and market. Imagine producing 50 pallets daily and doing the math. This type of machinery is not only an investment with excellent returns, but also has a strong environmental component. With it, you can start a sustainable, scalable business with high demand from your own warehouse or workshop. You see, you don't need a big factory or years of experience to start generating income from home. Only vision, action, and the right machine. Which was your favorite machine? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and share so we can keep growing as a community.